What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. On today's episode of Chasing Classics, I got a very special car for you today. 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Now guys, this one is a Bullitt clone. Before you say, hey Rob, isn't Bullitt a 1968? You're right about that. But this one is very well built. This guy spent over $90,000 building this car from the ground up. It's a true fastback. It's a 67. He's done everything to this car, from paint to every single panel has been replaced, undercarriage, suspension, engine, transmission, everything's been upgraded. So the car looks very nice on pictures. It seems like he did a great job on the build. He had a higher end shop do it. Like I said, he's got almost 6 figures in the car. So we're gonna try to put a deal together. The guy wants a decent amount of money for it, okay? He wants market value. I've been after one of these for a while to keep for myself, so I may pay up for it. I don't know. I'm in the business to sell at the end of the day, so I can't keep everything, so I'm gonna have to maybe buy it at the right price, unless I fall in love with it. But we'll see when we get there. If anybody loves this video, and if you like me buying classic cars, and you wanna continue to follow my journey, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get new content in every single day. We post a lot of classic cars for sale, but I also want to show you when I go out and meet people and the journeys. We have a new episode called Muscle Car Memories, where we're gonna be videotaping people and their stories about their one-owner cars and how their dads and families had them, which is pretty cool. Plus, we have Chasing Classics this season, season 2, where you will follow me buying classic cars. So I hope you love our content. We will see you when we get there. So tell me, you said you had how much in receipts?
I almost have about 5 years worth of receipts.
Okay.
From the guy that originally had the car when it was a lime gold 289 cubic inch engine to my car builder in Canada.
Oh, so it was built in Canada?
Yeah, he fully restored it.
So you bought it not restored, right?
Fully restored.
No, when you bought it though, didn't you buy it?
I bought it as is.
Okay, so you didn't buy it lime gold and had them do it?
No, no.
You bought it straight from the engine builder?
Exactly.
Okay, the guy who did
work to this car.
Okay. I wasn't sure if you bought it as a 289, the lime, and then you sent it out to Canada and had him do it.
No, actually he bought it and he fully restored the car, tried to give it that Bullitt look, and then I bought it from him.
You know Bullitt's not a 67, right?
Yeah, it's a 68.
It's a 68.
But it has 68 parts on this car, which is funny.
So they did full suspension.
Full suspension. Actually, he kept the suspension original. He put a power steering pump. He put power disc, new drum, new lines. He left it as leaf springs in the back. The whole engine was rebuilt. 4-barrel carburetor, Embark intake. 302? 302. It was originally a 289.
It's bored out?
It's bored out.
What do you know what it is?
0.030.
30? Yeah.
MSD ignition. 3-row aluminum.
It's got a Holly carb on it.
Yes, 4-barrel.
What is that, 750? No.
600.
600?
Yeah, CFM.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you want to bring the car out to the...
Yeah, we'll bring it out in a minute.
Yeah,
we're just talking about it now. I'm just trying to...
I don't want to start it though, first. The distributor.
Okay.
It'll turn over, but it won't stay on.
Okay. I don't see a whole lot of guys. How old are you?
Pretty young, 29.
I don't see a lot of 29, 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds get into Bullets.
I grew up with a lot of old heads.
Oh yeah, there you go. I'm into these.
I love this car.
Yeah. But usually guys that are 25 to 40, they don't want these.
They don't want. You know actually why I bought it? Yeah, a little chip over there, and on the side mirror side, the little paint peeling when he screwed it in. I bought this car after I bought this, so I could do a coyote swap. But all my uncles and everybody told me, don't touch this car, don't destroy it.
Coyote swap would be fun.
It would. I could drive this car every day.
Yeah.
I can't sit in traffic because it overheats, and you know New York is very congested.
You live in the city?
I live, yeah, Brooklyn.
What do you do for work?
Ambulance transportation and school buses for disabled children.
Cool. That's awesome.
Noble cars.
Yeah. And you make a living?
So. Yeah.
Right. So you're good. I mean,
Yeah.
you do a noble cause and you make a good living.
Yeah.
I mean, New York allows you to use the vintage plates.
But it has to be the year the car was manufactured.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
It is. Originally, I wanted the Statue of Liberty one from 2000s.
I like this one though.
I like this one too.
Like I said, it kind of gives the California vibe.
It does.
It gives the Bullitt vibe. It's the whole theme. All right, let's push it out.
Yeah, it's not in gear. There's no handbrake right now. Do me a favor, help me push it. Yeah. You want to see the interior? Go ahead.
Yeah, we will. I'm gonna do a full inspection of it.
Okay.
I'm just getting an overall look at it, the way the doors sit. I'm gonna open up the door, check the door jam. But
Make sure it sits properly.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the gaps in the doors. Normally the first look I do is just, you know, I'm just taking a look and to kind of see how everything's sitting on the car.
Yeah, the only thing that's out of line is when you close the hood.
Yeah.
It's kind of sitting up over here, but I don't know why it does that.
Oh yeah, see?
Yeah, right over there. You just like push it down and it kind of sets. From what I noticed.
Here's the thing. When you get into higher dollar cars, every little thing matters.
It really does.
$20,000, $30,000 car, it's not a problem. Things can be off, people don't mind. But anything, once you hit 50 and above, and when you get to that 100 mark, every single thing matters. It starts at 50 and then all the way up. Now, during COVID, guys didn't care about anything. Everybody had money to spend.
Everybody had money.
Everybody, you know, they had a lot of disposable income, so people were buying stuff. They didn't nitpick everything. Now we're seeing a shift in the market. So we're seeing the higher end cars are selling, but I'm seeing if they're mass produced, if there's a bunch of them, they're dropping in value. The Shelbys are not really affected right now because they're limited number, okay? But I'm seeing a lot of the Porsches, like the 911s, those cars are going down in price.
They really are.
They are. Are you paying attention to it?
Of course. This is one of the cars I've been looking for
Right.
for a long time, 968.
Yeah. I'm more concerned with the gaps and stuff. So that's what my buyers are going to look for. They're going to see how the doors are sitting. Yeah. See what I mean? Right there.
Yeah.
Those are the things they're going to nitpick apart. It sits good. It looks good for sure. I'd probably do something with the headlights.
Yeah, I would upgrade them, get LEDs maybe.
But I've been after one of these cars for myself. I don't know if you know that.
Really? No, of course. I should barely know you.
Yeah. So on my social, I've been telling guys if anybody sees a Bullitt, let me know.
Well, this is not a Bullitt, but
I know
it's the next best thing.
It's a nice thing, right?
And this paint is really hard. I can't figure out what kind of paint this is. It's custom. It's not Highland green. It's not forest green. It's not moss green. It's a mixture of like different types of greens. If you notice the thing on the back, the little scratch, I had not been able to match the paint.
So what they do? A custom paint?
Yeah.
Because it kind of looks like Highland green.
It does. That's what I thought.
That's what I thought it was.
I have a couple of paint pens and I matched it up on a piece of paper. They do not match. And I asked the guy and he said, I don't know. I did it like a totally different mixture. Beautiful color.
It looks great. I couldn't
If
even
I
tell.
really wanted to, I could probably go to those shops where they
shoot it.
Yeah, they shoot it and they could tell what kind of colors are into it.
Depends on how nice the build is and what it is and what they did to it. Like the one for 90 is a Coyote. Yeah. And all suspensions new, everything. And that car.
Well, you have to do a Coyote.
Yeah. It's reinforced the frame, everything.
Independent front suspension, all that.
Oh wow, I like these a lot.
Yeah, the classic instrument, I love it.
We'll get all that. We'll shoot all that. Yeah, the instruments are absolutely amazing. So you got. I like the steering wheel too.
Yes, I love it. The wood grain.
Yeah, it reminds me of the Shelbys.
Yes, it does.
Oh, this is different.
Yeah, it's not gonna turn over.
Buzz here. We're gonna close the deal on this one. I made you an offer. Are you ready to accept it? Ready to make a deal?
Sounds like a sound offer.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. All right, guys, we just put a deal together. Bullitt's coming back with us. We'll get it back to the shop. We're going to go through it, see what it needs mechanically. All right, guys, we are here in the Poconos in the middle of nowhere. I made a deal on this car with the client. It's a 67 Mustang Fastback Bullitt clone, but I took a gamble on this one. We did not start it. He said the timing was off. He did not want me to start the car. So I have some suspicions, but it is what it is. I made him an offer on it. He was reluctant to take it, but he's starting a business and he made a deal happen. So hopefully we get it back to the shop and everything is cool with it. The car, let me just give you a little pretense about the car. The car is in immaculate condition. Look at it. Come on. 67. It's an awesome color. The guy said that the color's not Highland green. It's actually a custom color that the shop builder did. It was built in Canada by a Canadian builder. They took a 67 Fastback, a real Fastback that was lime green. That was a 289 car. Basically redid the whole car. Undercarriage is all done. They put a 302 under the hood. It's bored out. Suspension's all done. Wheels, tires, undercarriage, bumpers, paint. Car's been completely rebuilt. And the customer during 2020 made a bunch of money on crypto and bought this. He's starting a business, so he sold it to us, and I'm getting this car today. Take a look at the inside. Inside's in absolutely great condition. You got this beautiful upholstery here, 5-speed manual Hurst shifter on top. You got this beautiful, look at these gauges, guys. Aftermarket gauges, but they are very 1960s. They have a great look to them. It's got Bluetooth. It's got beautiful speakers inside. Take a look at the undercarriage. This is why I bought the car, and this is why I love the car so much. This undercarriage is just absolutely perfect. Pans were all done, rails all done, torque box all done. Take a look at the underside. All redone. Absolutely gorgeous. Under the hood. Got a 302. You got disc brakes in the front, power disc brakes, power steering. I got about $90,000 in receipts for this car on this build. Absolutely gorgeous, in great condition. I'm happy with it, guys. Absolute gem of a car. We got a little bit of work we're gonna do to it. Like this hood right here needs to be adjusted. It's coming up a little high. The hinge is showing a little wear. So we're gonna fix that. And the timing's off. So we're gonna time the car right. We're gonna touch this up right here. And maybe change the wheels, I'm not sure. But absolutely excited for this. It was a good buy today. It will be on our page. It will be up for sale. If you're interested, give me a call, 215-801-9493. I appreciate you checking out Chasing Classic Cars. We did a good deal here. Bought this car. If you're interested, let me know. If you like the page and like what we do, please hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you guys checking this out. Have a good day and God bless the USA.